Instagram story mention showing a white screen? Don't worry, in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the Instagram story mention white screen issue quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Update your Instagram app. Go back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar, type Instagram, and select it from the list. If you see the Update button, tap it to install the latest version. Sometimes, this issue happens because of outdated app files, and updating can instantly solve it. Step 2. Clear Instagram cache. Once the update is complete, go back to your home screen. Press and hold the Instagram icon, then tap the Info button. Scroll down and find Storage. Here, tap Clear Cache. This removes any temporary files that might be causing the white screen error without deleting your data. Step 3. Restart your phone. After clearing the cache, simply restart your phone. A fresh reboot helps the system reload Instagram without leftover glitches. Now, open Instagram and check. Your story mention white screen problem should be fixed. If this video helped you, hit the like button, drop a comment if it worked for you, and subscribe for more quick fixes and tech tips.